Welcome! In this video, as a Rural Communities Opioid Response Program, RCORP, grantee, you will learn how to access, complete, and submit your performance report in the Performance Improvement and Measurement System, PIMS. To access your performance report from the EHB's homepage, hover over the Grants tab and click on Work on Performance Report. On the Submissions All page, find your performance report and click Start or Edit found in the Options column. Then, on the Welcome message for PIMS, click Continue to open the performance report. Use the left navigation bar to select and view forms, validate and submit your report, and access PDFs. In the center of the page, view grant information and the status of reports. The rest of the page contains the form information for you to complete. Just a helpful tip: Review status in the grant section shows the status of the report as a whole, not the status of individual forms. Now it's time to start working on the forms. As you check the boxes that apply to your organization, remember to enter a number in the box on the right. After completing the form, add comments for the reviewer if you need to, select if the form is complete or not, attach any files, and click Save. Hopefully, you aren't missing any information, but if you are, a validation error message appears at the top of the page that explains the error. To go directly to that field, click on the text letting you know what is missing. You will also see a red arrow indicating where you need to make corrections. After making corrections, scroll to the bottom of the form, select if the form is complete, and click Save. Don't forget to move from form to form, use the left navigation bar, and click on the form you wish to work on. Use the left navigation bar to easily see the status of each form. Forms marked as complete are in completed status and have a green check mark. Forms that are saved but not complete are in edit status and have a pencil. Forms that have not been started are in not started status and have a red star. To submit the report, all forms must be completed. After completing the forms, use the left navigation bar to click on Validate Submit Report found in the Workflow section. A success message appears saying your report has been validated. If you want to add a note for the project officer reviewing the report, use the Message to Project Officer field. When you are ready to submit your performance report, make sure to check the certification box and click Submit. Success! The review status updates to Submitted, and a Report Submitted Successfully message shows as well. You also have the option to view a read-only report. If your project officer requests a change to the performance report while viewing it, on the Submissions page, your status shows as Change Requested. Click Edit in the Options column to update the report. This brings you to the Grantee Data Entry section. From the left navigation bar, the completed status changes to Needs Update status and has a green arrow next to it. Use the left navigation bar to navigate to the form that needs to be corrected with a warning message telling you the report was returned and what issues need to be resolved. After resolving the issues, scroll to the bottom of the form, select Yes if the form is complete, add any pertinent attachments, and click Save. When the forms are completed and have green check marks next to all of them, you are ready to follow the validation submit report cycle that we just learned about. You can also use the left navigation bar to view reports, PDFs, and your grantee information. Now you know how to navigate and submit a performance report. For additional assistance, please contact the HRSA EHB's Customer Support Center at 877-464-4772.